Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are all well. Today we will make something special. These are very amazing and very crispy chicken box patties. These box patties are very tasty, and when you make them yourself, you will be amazed to see the result. These delicious chicken box patties are ready in such a short time, and this recipe is iftar special. You can not make it only in Ramadan, but you can eat it as a snack for kids with any kind of tea. So don't skip this video. I have shared many things with you in the video, so you should follow them. Let's start making it. Here we have taken a pan. We will add oil in it. Here we don't need to use much oil. We need to take 2 teaspoons of oil here. As soon as the oil is hot, we will add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. If you want, you can also add finely chopped garlic. Now, here is to make the garlic lightly golden on medium heat. As soon as the garlic turns light golden, we will add the chicken. This is boneless chicken and its weight is 400 grams. Here, I have taken the breast and thigh part of the chicken. I have cut them into small pieces. First, we have to wash the chicken well. After washing, put it in a sieve, so that all its water dries up, and now we have to fry it until its color turns white. Its color is pink, and as we continue to fry it, its color will change from white to golden. The color of the chicken has changed, so now we will add some spices here. First of all, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more or less as per your taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Ground red chili 1/2 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon. Tandoori powder 1 teaspoon. This is a flavorful spice and it will give the chicken a tandoori flavor. So it is obvious to add it. You can take any brand. Now after adding all the spices here, we will mix it well here. Now we have to fry the chicken with the spices here. And fry it so well that the rawness of these spices is gone. Now we will add green spices to it. And 2 tablespoons of yogurt, whether thick or thin, it doesn't matter. This recipe is simple. This is homemade yogurt. I kept the stove flame low while adding the yogurt. Mix it well, then we will keep the stove flame on medium. Okay, now we will cover it here. After covering it, we will cook it on low flame for 8 minutes. The chicken will cook well in the yogurt water itself. It will become soft, and there will be no need to add additional water because we have cut the chicken into small pieces, so they will become soft very quickly. 10 minutes have passed. We remove the cover. This is the situation. The curd water has almost dried up. The chicken has also become very soft. I have taken small pieces of chicken, but they are still big for box patties, so I will crush these big pieces with the help of spatula, and the small pieces that I have made will remain as they are. The chicken is well cooked, so now we will add onions here. Chop them very finely. I have added a medium-sized onion here and cut it into small pieces because personally, I always like the combination of onion with tandoori chicken. It depends on your taste. You can definitely add it and try it. After this, your box patties will become very flavorful and very delicious. Well, now the chicken in front of you has become so soft that as I am pressing it lightly with the help of spatula, fibers are forming. We will make the big pieces fibrous like this, and the rest of the small pieces will remain as they are. We have stopped pressing it completely here. Now, to give it a tandoori flavor, we will smoke it. The coal was already placed on another stove to heat it. It took 5 to 6 minutes. The coal is well heated. So now first, we will place foil paper on it and add coal and add a drop of oil and cover it so that the smoke does not come out and all the chicken is absorbed inside. Then, what will happen is that a very tasty tandoori chicken will be ready. Here you have to smoke for 2 minutes. Do not give it more because if you give it more, the chicken becomes bitter. So you have to take care of this thing. Well, here to give the smoke, I have placed the coal on top of the foil paper. It is not necessary that you have it too. If you have a small metal bowl, steel, or any other metal bowl at home, then you have to keep it and place the coal on it. So smoke it like this. 2 minutes have passed. Remove the cover and remove the coal and mix the chicken well once. So in the last, we will add green coriander on it and mix it a little. And here the best type of tandoori chicken stuffing is ready. Now, when you have such an amazing and tasty stuffing in front of you, then how delicious the box patties will be. Now let us keep it on the side, and now we have to cool it properly so that when we fill it inside the box patties, it should be completely cool. Let us make a slurry, and for that in a bowl, we have taken half a cup of refined flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it and now add little water in it and make a thick slurry. I will let you check how thick it should be. Do not add all the water at once. Add water little by little and the slurry should be this thick. Now let us keep this also on the side. Now this is the final step of assembling the box patty. So for that here, we have taken the sheets. I have taken the same sheets which are used for samosa. They are roll sheets can also take. So you have to cut it in the middle. Now we will make a box patty using the sheets. So in this way, we will apply the flour slurry in the center. The same slurry which we had mixed with flour and a little water will be applied in the center with the help of a brush. Then we will place this slurry on top of it like this. After that, we press the second sheet a little and it's stuck. Now we will put the chicken stuffing on top of it that we had prepared and put aside. It has cooled down well. We put a spoonful of chicken here. Now we will put cheese on top of it. Don't worry if you don't have cheese. We will just put the chicken stuffing and close the box patty like this. I have cheese here, so I will put some cheese inside the patty and leave some. We will just close it with the chicken stuffing. Okay, like this. We have to fold it. We did not put the slurry on the first layer that we put on it. We will put the slurry on the second layer so that it is completely closed. And then we will also put the flour slurry on the third layer. Your main focus should be on the edges. There should be a slurry on it so that when you fold it, the stuffing inside does not come out and it gets sealed properly. We have placed the third layer as well. And on the last layer above it, we will apply flour slurry as well. We will close it this way. We have to press it a little so that all the sheets stick to each other properly. Here, a box patty is ready. Check its edges from the sides. In this way, we have made all the box patties. With the stuffing we had, 7 to 8 box patties have been prepared because a lot of chicken stuffing does not go inside a box patty. We have to put only 1 spoon of chicken inside it. So, a lot of them can be made. Well, if you want to freeze them, then freeze them here. You can do it on it as well. You can do it after coating. But if you do it here itself, then it will be better. Then, when you take them out, coat them and then fry them. You can keep them in the freezer for 2 to 3 weeks. Now here, to fry the box patties. First of all, we will coat them. For coating, we have taken the flour slurry, which we had made in the beginning, and also the breadcrumbs. First of all, take the box patty and dip it in the flour slurry, and secondly, apply breadcrumbs on it. Well, if you want, you can also apply egg. If you don't want to make this with flour, then you can apply breadcrumbs after applying egg, but there are many of my viewers who want that egg should not be used in recipes, then for them this option is the best. We have applied breadcrumbs from both the sides. We have tried from all the 4 corners also that breadcrumbs are applied, and I will let you check again how we have applied the slurry. Be careful, when we dip it in the slurry, apply the slurry from all the sides. It will be applied, and after taking it out from here, we will apply breadcrumbs on it, and we have applied breadcrumbs on all sides. Similarly, we will apply breadcrumbs on the other side as well, and here our box patty is ready. Okay, now let us fry them. For frying, we have heated the oil on medium flame, and as soon as the oil gets hot, we will put these box patties inside it, which we have coated with breadcrumbs. We will put these box patties one by one inside the hot oil. Now the flame of the oil is medium. It is different, that it is fun, and the good thing is that after making it once, you can keep it in the freezer. You can freeze it for 2 to 3 weeks, and here it took 6 to 7 minutes, and here these patties are fried well. Now take them out of the oil and fry the rest of the patties, and this is in front of you. The top layer is very crispy because they are very crispy inside. Here it is very crispy. The best, amazing, super crispy chicken box patties have been prepared, and these chicken patties that are here are so amazing that the filling inside is very delicious. And here I have also used cheese along with the chicken, and you don't need to worry that without cheese you can't make it in every house. So cheese is not necessary for you, so you can't make it in every house. Along with this, I have used some patties inside it and some not, so that everyone can get the patty of their choice. You can adjust the size of the patty according to your choice. If you want to make it smaller, then cut the sheets. Cut the sheets according to the size you want to make, then you will get your desired size. But here, in my opinion, if the box patties are medium-sized like this, they look good. I will check a piece for you here. Check it out. Its coating is super crispy on top, and the outer layer is crispy. It is very tasty on the inside with tandoori chicken. Well, this is in front of you, in which we have added cheese, and it is also quite tasty. It has puffed up because of the cheese. The ones that were not added inside did not rise much. Okay, we break it here, and this top layer is very crispy in front of you, and a wonderful little box patty is prepared with cheese and chicken layers inside. With this, we end the video here. If you liked our video today, then you must subscribe to the channel. You must also like and share the video. Thank you for watching the video.